welcome back to my channel. This is Jyoti and today's video is going to be about a review of a product which I recently used and it's amazing. So let's get started with the review. So the products that I'm going to review in today's video are from Moha. One is the Moha Herbal Scrub and one is the Moha Nail Care Cream and one more Moha Foot Care Cream. So let's get started with the review. Moha Herbal Scrub. It reveals healthy skin, makes your complexion glow, and believe me, it's an amazing scrub. I have used it for the week now. It is made up of walnut, orange peel, nutmeg, olive, and rose. Take a look. So this is the Moha facial scrub, and I'll show you how it feels on your skin. Take a small little drop. And it is very gentle, as you can see. It has very soft particles, but definitely they will uh, remove the dead skin cells from your skin, and at the same time it will moisturize your skin, leaving it soft and supple. It will clear your blackheads, and make sure you use it at least once a week. Talking about the ingredients in the herbal scrub, the walnut shell gently exfoliates dead skin cells, while the orange peel brightens your skin. We all know that. And the olive oil present in this will moisturize deep, while the nutmeg eliminates skin eruptions and rose retains the moisture. Next is the nail care cream. Uh, I will take a little thing on my nails and I just dip it on all the nails, including the thumb, and give it a good massage. I religiously use this before I go to sleep, and seriously, my nails have become stronger. I'm not facing any issue with chipped nails, etc. And look at this, your nails and the skin around your nails will be so nourished. You will not have any dry skin problem. The vitamin E present in the almond oil gives you gloss and hydration. Gives your nails gloss and hydration. And the flaxseed oil protects your nails from peeling and breaking. With your nails will thank you for this cream. So I think you must go for it. Now next is the Moha Foot Care Cream. I'm using it. Oh shit, it's quite a lot. See, this is a very thick cream. It, although it is so thick, it will quickly get absorbed in the skin, making your skin so supple and nourished and moisturized. So the Moha Foot Care Cream deeply nourishes your feet. It moisturizes it, hydrates it, and heals your cracked heels. Heals your cracked heels. Wow. So this is the 100-gram pack of Moha Ayurvedic foot care cream. It's made up of papaya, aloe vera, and peppermint. Now, since it has papaya, what papaya does? Now, papaya is rich in minerals. It smoothens and gently exfoliates your skin, and it will reduce the appearance of cracks. While peppermint, peppermint is cooling, right? So, apart from cooling, it will soothe your cracked heels. You will feel better. And aloe vera, we all know aloe vera moisturizes the skin. It hydrates your skin, and since herbal product and since this is a herbal product, the aloe vera, peppermint, and papaya are all natural. So talking about my review, I love all the three products, especially the foot care cream. It's amazing. All the three products, including the scrub, are very soft on your skin. They are absolutely gentle. They will make your skin baby soft, and you will feel so pampered after using it because the smell is very cute. I really can't express. Among all the three products, the costliest one is the Mohawk Foot Care Cream. This will cost you rupees 250 for some 100 grams. The second is the Nail Care Cream, which will cost you around 200 for 100 grams. And the most affordable product in today's range is the Moha Herbal Scrub, which will cost you just rupees 155 for 100 grams. Super affordable, right? Mohawk as a brand comes from Charak Pharma Ayurveda, which is a very renowned and very genuine product range. It has products for your hair as well as for your skin.